Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can transfer all of your iPhone pictures to Google Photos. So pretty simple. You're just going to log in to your account, your Gmail account, and you're also going to select continue and needs full access to your photos, and then select allow access to all photos. Then you are going to go to your profile page here. Then you're going to select turn on backup. Now I don't have a lot of storage, but here you can get more storage, but it includes your email as well as your drive as well, I think. But that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.